Hello, I'm Matt Reynolds, Chief Editor of Packaging World, back with another edition of Take 5. This past fall, more than a dozen editors at PMMI Media Group descended en masse on PACK EXPO Las Vegas. It wasn't until just now in the January issue of Packaging World that we were able to weave together all the coverage into a single cohesive tapestry that we call our PACK EXPO Innovations Report. But as much as it pains me to admit it, not everyone's going to have time to read the 100-page Innovations Report in the 460-page January issue. So I thought this Take 5 format might be a good way to give you a fast download. This week, let's look back at the robotics innovations editors saw at PACK EXPO. Cobots, short for collaborative robots, were all over the place. One example was Wizo's SideBot, named for a mashup of sidekick and robot. The system is a high-speed Delta-style pick-and-place robot capable of 90 picks per minute that's designed to work safely besides people. It relies on 2 laser scanners from SICK that constantly screen the environment around the machine and notify the controller which of 3 zones the operator is in. If the operator is in the farthest zone, the speed of the Delta robot is reduced. If the operator is in the middle zone, the speed is reduced further. And if the operator is in the zone closest to the robot, speed is reduced yet again. Should the operator be so close as to come in contact with the robot, all motion comes to a halt. Also featuring Cobot solutions at its booth was Mitsubishi Electric Automation, Inc., which debuted its Assista collaborative robot. Assista is designed to share its workplace with humans in a safe and efficient manner, and its unique internal wiring and piping reduces the risk of cables being caught or snagged. This increases uptime and decreases the risk of needing repair. Also, Assista can be programmed without a teach pendant, so it's more easily operated by those without prior industrial robot experience. While Assista is still compatible with a teach pendant, it can also be operated by buttons on the robot body or by hand guiding to its various positions. And finally, in line with the trend of smaller cobots expanding into higher speed, greater capacity, and heavier payload territory, Columbia Okura recently upgraded its mini PAL with the enhanced Ur-10e Cobot Arm by Universal Robots. Displayed at PACK EXPO Las Vegas, the upgraded system increased its payload to 12.5 kilograms, that's about 28 pounds, accommodating the 2.5 kilogram heavier cases than its 10 kilogram predecessors and affording new application possibilities with heavier payloads. The new model also replaces pressure-sensitive safety mats with area safety scanners on all sides of the equipment footprint. 3 area safety scanners detect human presence in the palletizing work envelope. This ensures safe operation in collaborative mode when the presence of human workers is detected, while allowing the mini-PAL to operate at maximum rates while people are not within the palletizing work zone. An interesting outside-the-box robotic innovation at PACK EXPO was B&R Automation's Mini Geo. With unpredictable demand, mass customization pushing manufacturers to engage less in make-to-stock and more in just-in-time or JIT manufacturing, flexible conveyor systems that allow for rapid changeover and batch sizes of 1 have grown in popularity. B&R Automation showcased its Mini Geo conveyance system, as well as its Acopos 6D planar conveyance system, both of which seek to address those trends. The Mini Geo, by the way, is a modification of B&R's Acopos Track shuttle transport system that's synchronized with an IRB 1200 robotic arm from ABB and several vision sensors. Allied Technology released a new performance series line of pick-pack palletizers, which doesn't require any coding from the end user. This new line of palletizers is a welcome addition to their current Cobot series pick-pack palletizer featuring a Ur-10e released in 2019 and continues to meet end-of-line packaging industry's needs for compact, mobile, and turnkey palletizing units. And on the front of the line instead of at the end, depalletizing is a common manufacturing operation that has attracted a lot of attention over the past few years due to a variety of industrial labor issues, ranging from a shortage of available workers to efforts to reduce risk of worker injuries. And to help address these issues around depalletizing operations, Honeywell introduces its Smart Flexible Depalletizer, which uses AI, artificial intelligence, to ease the implementation of robotic depalletizing technologies and minimize the need for manual labor to break down pallet loads. Honeywell's vision and perception technologies are used to guide the depalletizer's robotic arm, allowing cases to be picked from a single or mixed SKU pallet in a fixed or mobile locations. The company's computer vision technology identifies the location of every case on the pallet, while its artificial intelligence-driven perception software automatically recognizes a variety of packaging formats. The machine learning and motion planning used in smart, flexible Depaltizer optimize the movement of the robotic arm to ensure maximum picking speed. That's just the tip of the iceberg for robotics innovations at PACK EXPO. Read about all of them in the January issue of Packaging World, and that's all the time that we have.